about I show you how to jumpstart a van? Because maybe, hypothetically, one morning you were trying to go to the car wash because it stormed really bad the night before, and you have a whole bunch of leaves that are corroding on your hood that is going to leave some dead leaf marks like this that don't really seem to come up when you wipe it. And you find that your USB cord was plugged into the power outlet for a little over 3 days, and you accidentally killed your battery. Hypothetically. So, steering column. Down here is the hood latch. Press it. You just push it till it locks into place. And this is your positive terminal. You push it and twist it, and there's like little notches that line up, and that's where you hook your positive. For your negative, over there, they have a designated ground. Negative, positive. Donor car. Got 12-foot jumper cables, and had to change a car to my sister's truck because her battery's on the left side, and even with the 12-foot cables, I still couldn't reach the terminals on the van. Right, and positive to positive. Okay, positive is connected to positive. All right, now you connect your negative to negative to the grounding wire. It'll spark a little bit. Turn the truck on. It does take a little bit more oomph to start a diesel engine. Make sure all my connections are still good. Let's test it. There we go. And when you go to take everything off, just do it the exact way you put it on. Negative, negative, positive, positive. And that's how you get out of a hypothetical situation. Now let's go wash this.